Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when a PlayStation 4 controller won't connect to the PS4. So I'm pressing the PlayStation button and the light begins to blink on my controller, but it won't connect. And also if I press the PlayStation button and the sharing button right here, and I put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, it just blinks and it never connects to my PlayStation 4. So it seems like I can't connect it wirelessly. Now you can connect it wirelessly to your PlayStation, but it's a little bit more complicated. Now the easiest way to connect your controller that won't connect is simply by using a USB cable just like this. Plug it into the front of the PlayStation 4 and then plug the other end into the PlayStation controller and then press the PlayStation button. Now when you plug it in initially, it's just going to charge like this, so you want to press the PlayStation button and then press this a couple times until the light turns a solid blue color like this. And it should be connected to your PlayStation 4 now. And you should be able to use it. Now to connect it wirelessly, if you don't have a cable, you can try flipping over the controller and there will be a small reset hole right here. Hold it down with like a toothpick or something like that and the controller will shut off. Hold it down like 5 seconds and then you can let go. And then you can try pressing the PlayStation button and see if this reconnects. Now using a second PlayStation controller or maybe even your TV remote, go to the input that allows you to have HDMI CEC enabled or maybe NENT Plus, or your TV might have something similar. And this allows me to control my PlayStation with my TV remote. Now I want to go up to the top and then go on over to settings and select this. Then go on down to devices. And under here, let's go to Bluetooth devices. Now, place your PlayStation 4 controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode by holding down the sharing button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And your controller should show up under this list now. And it may take like 15 to 20 seconds for it to show up under here, but once it shows up, go to it and select it. And it says, please wait. Then it says, do you want to register this Bluetooth device? Let's go to yes. And it is now registered. Pick a profile to connect to, and I now have 2 controllers connected to my PlayStation 4. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.